With the eyes of faith, we can further say that the Lord has called his servant at his appointed time on Holy Saturday, a day before we commemorate the resurrection from the dead, when he defeated death and won for us eternal life. Therefore, amidst inevitable tears, we stand up because we know that Christ rose from the dead and won for us eternal life, which we earnestly pray for, that his servant Archbishop Spence Tuwanga may enjoy out of the Lord's grace. We are celebrating this Mass in the Easter Octave, a week in which we profoundly celebrate Easter. In the course of this week, we are reminded that the resurrection of Christ is not a make-believe, but a reality. Christ rose from the dead. The Gospel passage and the first reading from the Acts of the Apostles we have heard today points out that the resurrection of Christ is a reality. We have heard the women in the Gospel meeting the risen Lord. The guards at the tomb also attested to the fact that the Lord's resurrection, to the extent that they had to be bribed to tell a lie. I think bribing is another story. There is more rampant in our situation.